We'll guide you through how to choose Google Drive storage plans so you can efficiently manage your files and data. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your Google Drive account on your desktop. Click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner. This will open the settings menu. From there, select Get More Storage. You'll be redirected to the Google One page where you can see all the available storage plans. Google offers several options ranging from the basic 100 gigabit plan to larger ones like 2 terabits, or even higher if you need more space. Take a moment to consider your storage needs. If you mainly use Google Drive for documents and occasional photos, the 100 gigabit plan might be sufficient. However, if you're storing large files or a lot of photos and videos, you might want to consider the 200 gigabit or 2 terabit plans. Once you've decided which plan suits you best, click on the Select button next to your chosen plan. You'll be prompted to enter your payment information if you haven't set it up yet. Google also offers the option to pay monthly or annually, so choose the payment frequency that works for you. After completing the payment process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your new storage plan will then be active, and you can start using the additional space right away. Keep in mind that Google One plans also offer additional benefits like access to Google Experts and Google Play credits, so it's worth exploring those perks if they interest you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.